Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to get 4K quality for your video recorder with iPhone XR. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your setting application. So this video is gonna be a tutorial about the iPhone camera, and after you open the settings, just scrolling down until you found camera. I think I'll go too much. So right there, we already got the camera sections. Just go click them, and right after that on the top rows there will be a record video. You'll see here what the current quality that you choose for your video resolutions or video quality on your camera. So you just need to click them. So as you can see, my video in a 1080p format. So if we want to make it 4K, you just need to choose the 4K one, and make sure that the FPS is also in the highest value, because it's also deciding or affecting the smoothness of the moving on the video. So if you want to get the best quality, make sure that you choose this 4K at 60 FPS. But you need to concerned about the size of the video later. So whenever you choose this, after you recording the video with your camera, the size it will be saved in the highest or in the bigger size. It also will take a lot of storage on your phone. So if you are dealing with that, you just need to go for that 4K at 60 FPS for the higher resolutions and the smoother move. That is the way, guys, how to create or how to make your video quality on iPhone camera going into the 4K. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.